Hey buddies, welcome to Healthylicious Snack Time with Buddy. So today we're going to see how to make edible diya sweets at home. So let's get started. So today I have taken 500 grams of seedless dates. Add lukewarm water to it and soak it for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll roast the rava. To a pan, add 1 tablespoon of butter or ghee. Now add 1 cup of rava, which is about 200 grams, and roast it on low flame for 10 minutes. Now the rava is roasted well, just switch off the flame and transfer it to a plate. Now the dates have become soft, just transfer it to a mixer jar and grind it to a fine paste. Now place a kadai on medium flame and add 1 tablespoon of ghee or butter. Now add the dates paste to it and mix it well. Keep mixing it until the ghee is combined with the dates and cook it on medium flame for about 10 minutes. Now add the roasted rava to it and combine it together. Now add 1 cup of water and mix it well. You should take water in the same cup which you took rava. Keep mixing it well until the water is absorbed and the rava is cooked. We are not going to add any sugar to this because the dates contain natural sweetness. So now it's cooked well, just switch off the flame and transfer it to a plate. Allow it to cool, meanwhile we'll see how to make the kova. To a kadai, add 1 liter of milk and keep it on medium flame and allow it to boil. So once it's about to boil, just stir it using a spatula. And keep stirring it on intervals on medium flame until it's reduced to 1/4. Now the milk has reduced to 1/4. At this stage, add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar or jaggery powder and mix it well. Now add some elachi powder and mix it well. Now it's become thick and the kova is ready. Just switch off the flame and transfer it to a bowl. Just allow it to cool for some time and meanwhile we'll start preparing diyas. Now the dates halwa is cool, just apply some ghee to your hand and bring it together. Now take a small portion from it and roll it. Now start making it into diya shape. Now just cover the outer part with sesame seeds. Now just place it on a plate. Now take a small part of kova and just roll it thin. Now just place it on diya. Now pour some honey inside it. Finally, keep an almond on the tip of the diya. Similarly, do the rest of the diyas. So guys, make this Diwali special by doing this recipe and give it to your kids and guests. And a very happy Diwali to all. Hope you all like the video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for upcoming videos.